Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert drop down in Excel. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just create a Excel sheet which is college admission 2021 to 2022 upcoming years. I have given the name and high school pass, course and fees and admission. Whether I would like to create a drop down from whether the high school pass or fail and what course he has chosen and whether he has paid fees and whether he got admission or not. Everything will be drop down, means automatically I can able to choose the option. I no need to type anything. I need to give the drop down list, means automatically the students is similar to this course and how much fees he has paid. Everything will be displayed. This is an easy way you can create a drop down menu. I just create a name and number and high school and course and all the details of the title. So now I would like to create a drop down menu in this Excel sheet. So I have admission and course details here. So now I would like to create whether high school pass or not. For I can give the insert the lot of students names and numbers, but this fields I would like to have the drop down. Once I click the drop down, automatically it will apply. So just select this column. So I have chosen the column till 30 here. Just click data and data validation. Once you click the data validation, it will ask the setting option. So once you select the setting and any value will be available, just hit the button and select list. Because this is a drop down, I chosen the like a list. So high school pass, yes, comma, no. So I have given the option. So automatically the option will be displayed in the drop down. For example, I have given number 1 and student name is A and high school pass or fail. I just select the drop down. I can choose yes or no. So I can choose according to my needs, and each and every column will has that kind of option. The easy one, I can give the drop down option. For example, number 2 and B, and I can choose the drop down. Here there will be a course option will be available. I can give the courses details, whatever courses is available, I can choose according to the needs. For example, same step, just select the columns. So how many columns you want, you can select and just go to data and select data validation, select any value into list, change the list, and here there will be a different kind of courses available. I have typed the courses. I want to select the courses and insert because I cannot able to type all the details. Just select the source. Here there will be a little bit of a red color corner boxes available. Just hit the button, automatically the data validation field will be selected field, it will come. So just select course. So which list you want, just select the list. Automatically this cells will be calculated into data validation. Just click the admission and select data validation form. Automatically the list will be increased and just select OK. Automatically you will have the drop down list in the course option. For example, the A student is selected high school pass and he wants the list. Yes, my course list will be available. I can choose whether the B students wants which course he wants. He can choose according to the needs. The list will be displayed over here. Whatever list we have selected, automatically that list will be displayed over here. Automatically you can choose according to your needs. For example, fees. If you want to select the fees, whether he paid or not paid, so just select the column, same thing option. So I have selected the column. Just to click data and just select data validation and the list. You can choose the list and just select paid, comma, not paid. Just type your names, whatever details source you want, just select that and click OK. Automatically the fees will be displayed over here whether he have paid or not. So I can choose according to my needs. So wherever I have selected, automatically that will display to the list box. I can choose the list box and whether he got the admission or not, yes or no. So I can choose similar step I have showed you. Just select the list, whatever column you want, you can select the list and just click data and data validation, setting and list, yes, comma, no, whether you got admission or not. So I can choose here yes, I can select here as a no. So this is an easy step. I can choose a list items, I can choose yes or no, I can choose paid, not paid, everything will be displayed over here. So using this option I can able to give the drop down list so that my admission process will be easy. The Excel is providing different kind of option for the Microsoft. Using this option you can create and you can have the admission will be very smooth. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.